In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a GCash QR code. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to digital payments, understanding how to scan a QR code on GCash is a valuable skill. It's fast, convenient, and makes transactions smooth and seamless. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is your gateway to a world of digital transactions. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as the app needs to communicate with GCash servers. If you haven't installed the app yet, head over to your device's app store, download it, and log in using your credentials. Opening the app is like unlocking a new level of convenience in your financial life. Once you have the app open, tap on the QR or Scan QR option that you see on the home screen. This is typically located at the bottom of the screen for easy access. GCash has designed its interface to be user-friendly, so even if it's your first time, you'll find it intuitive. This feature is crucial because it allows you to quickly scan and pay without fumbling through menus. Now, point your camera at the merchant QR code. Make sure your phone's camera is working well and that the QR code is clearly visible in the camera frame. Hold your device steady and ensure that the QR code is within the guidelines on the screen. This is important because a clear scan reduces errors and speeds up the transaction process. Wait for the app to read the QR code. This usually happens in a matter of seconds. You might notice a brief pause as the app processes the code. Don't worry, this is normal. The app is verifying the code and ensuring everything is in order. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the next step, confirming that the scan was successful. If necessary, enter the amount you wish to pay. Some merchants might have a preset amount in the QR code, while others require you to input it manually. This step ensures that you're paying the correct amount. Double-check the value you've entered to avoid any mistakes. This little step can save you from future hassles, ensuring the payment is accurate. Next up, tap the Pay button. This is where you finalize your transaction. Upon tapping Pay, the app will process your payment and you'll receive a confirmation. You might also see a confirmation message or notification appear. This reassures you that the payment has gone through successfully. And there you have it, a complete QR code transaction using GCash. Scanning a QR code for payments is not just about convenience. It also enhances security since you're not handling cash directly. Plus, with the growing acceptance of digital payments, you're equipped to handle transactions efficiently wherever you go. If ever you encounter any issues during the process, GCash support is just a tap away within the app. Feel confident as you navigate through these steps. Over time, this will become second nature, a skill you can rely on for quick and easy payments. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and that you feel more confident about using GCash for your transactions. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy the seamless experience of digital payments.